Is Klover really the financial safety net it claims to be, or is it just another too-good-to-be-true app riding the wave of payday desperation? In this video, we take an honest and detailed look into the Klover app, a growing player in the cash advance and budgeting space that promises users access to up to $200 with absolutely no interest, no credit check, and no hidden fees. At first glance, it sounds like the perfect solution for anyone living paycheck to paycheck. But once you dig into how it actually operates in 2025, the reality starts to look a lot more complex. Klover doesn't just hand out money instead. It uses a points-based system that encourages users to complete tasks like watching ads, taking surveys, and sharing personal data in order to increase their eligibility and advance amount. This raises concerns about how user information is being used and whether the trade-off is really worth it. We examine the app's core features, from its instant advance options and budgeting tools, to its user interface and how it ranks on both the App Store and Google Play. More importantly, we dive into a wide range of user feedback, some praising its speed and simplicity, others frustrated by technical glitches, low initial advance amounts, long wait times, and hard-to-reach customer service. There are also questions about how reliable Klover is during emergencies when timing matters most. While the app may work smoothly for some, others find it more trouble than it's worth, with limited transparency and inconsistent experiences. In this video, we pull no punches, offering a balanced, in-depth review that gives you everything you need to know before deciding whether Klover is a smart financial move or just another overhyped fintech shortcut that leaves you with more questions than cash.